Hi, and today we're going to do some broccoli roasted with Parmesan. So to that, you're going to need some broccoli. I have a bag that's already pre-washed, ready to use. Some grapeseed oil. So place the on the baking dish the pre-cut of broccoli. Drizzle with some flavor of your oil. I'm using grapeseed. Kind of mix it around so it gets coated with the oil, and then sprinkle with some salt. And we're going to put this to bake on 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Try to have some space in between so it can cook evenly. Once it's done, you can use like a wooden spoon or something, or a spatula. And then you can just move it around and let it either cook on the other side, or you can just mix it up. And then, like, I shredded some cheese, Parmesan, or you can buy already shredded cheese. Sprinkle it over, put it back in for another 5 minutes or until the cheese melts, and you have a goodness to serve. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. The cheese has melted, and don't forget to scrape off the cheese that's been melted to the pan. That it tastes like cheese chips, really good. So yeah, so here it is. Delicious, easy, fast, and healthy. Don't forget about that. Like and subscribe, and till next time.